Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, what can I say? I have been so busy. Also, YouTube is hard work, you know. I'm a uni student, I've got a vlog to run, but today we have this lovely look for you. It is like, how would I describe it? It's a very pinky peachy rose gold look. I'll take my glasses off. So this is the look that we have for you today, and it's so simple. If you want to find out how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Right, to start off this makeup look, I'm going to prime with two primers today. First we're going to take the Baby Skin Instant Pore Filler from Maybelline, just putting it in our T-zone areas. Around the nose. Go. And now I am taking the Kiko Hydra Pro Glow, putting it on my cheeks. Going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I am in the shade Sand Beige 06. It's gonna pump like half a pump onto my hand because a lot comes out in one of these pumps. It's amazing. And then I'm just gonna dot it on my cheek. I'm sorry if the mirror gets in the way. I normally wear glasses, so I can't actually see what's going on right now. So I normally have to have the mirror like here. After I've done that, I'm just going to blend it all out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So I'm just going to go over with my dampened sponge and just make sure there's no streak marks. I am taking my e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip. Taking some of that on the back of my hand. Do you know what, I'm going to switch the mirror up. I can go with this little tiny one, might be easier. And I'm just like warming it in on the back of my hand there. And then just roughly tapping it in where I want it. At my forehead, just gives a really nice glow. I love this for my Cupid's bow. And then I'm just getting my sponge and blending out more. Going on to concealer, and I'm taking my Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Warm Medium. Just applying that. Just in the inner portion of my eye, because that's the part of my eye that I tend to get a lot more darkness and dullness. And slightly contouring my nose with it as well. And then pushing it all over my lid to act as a primer. What I like to do with concealers is I first take my finger to blend it out and then I go over it again. Just because I feel like my sponge takes off a lot of the product. I'm just blending out all of that concealer with my sponge and making it all seamless. Now I am taking my Coty Air Spun translucent powder and I'm just going to set everything. So layering it up on the sponge. This powder, it literally just does wonders for my smile lines. So good. kind of smells like old ladies though, but I can go over that. And I'm taking some on a dense concealer brush, and I'm just going to dust this over my eyes to set that concealer. Taking my NYX No Filter finishing powder in the shade Honey Beige, and I'm going to powder the rest of my face. I'm taking my Allure Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. To do this, I am taking my Morphe M165, which is this really nice, like thin, like flat angled brush, and then I'm also using the Morphe M158, which is this like double-ended, which is this like double-ended brush with a spoolie and a really like angled side, except this side is a bit too flimsy for my liking to do my actual brows, so I use it all. Even though I have like black eyebrows, I hate using blacks to do my eyebrows with, because it tends to be really dark, whereas the dark browns I can like build them up and get it looking more natural, if that makes sense. And to conceal, I'm taking that same collection Lasting Perfection concealer. To make sure I get a really precise angle on this, I take my brush, where do I put it? Put it there. And I squeeze the tip up and push it up, and I don't know if you can see, but it makes it look really slim. So I'm going to take that and just load up and run it underneath my brows. Right, now onto the eyes. First, I'm going to be taking my collection of Makeup Geek eyeshadows that I have collected and brought myself. I love this. This is like my holy grail palette, just like the dream palette. I highly recommend the Makeup Geek shadows. Taking this shade here, which is called Chickadee, and it's a really lovely bright yellow. And I'll be putting that into my crease. You have to get back to the big mirror for this. And literally just dusting that all in that crease, just to give us a really nice bright transition. No, I'll go back to this one. I'm going to take this orange colour that I absolutely adore called Morocco, and it's just this lovely bright orange. I focus it a little bit lower and more so on like the outer portion of the eye. I like to tap the product in first and then blend away. Stitching it up, I'm taking this, it's like a flat shimmer brush I'd say, but it's a bit fluffier and a lot more movable, and I love these types of like blending brushes to pack on colour. So now we're going to take Bitten, also by Makeup Geek obviously, and this is just, oh, it's my favourite. You can already see that it's starting to dip, and I just dread in the day till it runs out. I'm going to swipe my brush in there. We're going to pack this on the outer portion of the eye. And then the original brush that we started with, I'm going to dip back into Chickadee in Morocco and just use that to blend out these edges. Next, I'm taking the shade Cosmopolitan, which is this kind of lovely gold pinky colour, maybe like a rose gold. Oh yeah, definitely. So I'm going to take that on my finger to start off with. The thing is, I hate doing shimmers with a brush. I don't know, they just never work for me. So I'm going to pat that all over this space here that we have that is still blank. I'm going to take this Eco Tools, I think it's a concealer brush, yeah. Eco Tools concealer brush, and I'm going to spray it with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. Just give that a spray. Take this really tiny like pencil brush, go in with bitten again and in my crease, just kind of make it like a really soft cut crease. First, to highlight the inner corner, we are going to go with In the Spotlight, which is this really lovely foiled shadow. We're going to put that in the inner corner, and it's oh so bright. Also on my brow bone, I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder again, and this time I'm going to dip the flat side of my brush, my sponge into it, and we're just putting it underneath. I'm using my trusty Get Up in Glow bronzer brusher and highlight palette from Barry M. This was like my first ever makeup product. I should probably chuck it away, but it's nostalgic. And I've hit pan on almost every single shadow, but it's fine. Just swirl that in there. And bronze up my face with dimples. For highlight on my face, we're gonna go a little bit different. I've got this one, I'm gonna do like two. I've got this shade, it's holographic, oh yeah, and it's called Mai Tai. It's like this really lovely, I don't know if you can see, it's like a really lovely purple pink type thing going on. And take that on this Morphe brush from the Copper Dreams, and we are gonna highlight away. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with Shimmer Shimmer. And then, why not, for the hell of it, I'm taking this worn out highlighter from my little palette, which is really good. Believe it or not, very dusty, but it's really good. I'm gonna take my Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner 24 Hour from Maybelline, and I have to say, one of the best gel eyeliners I've ever used. I am taking, I think this brush is from a brand called like Glamour or Glamorous. I got it from Beauty Bay, and it's the number 118 eyeliner brush. But that's all that it says. Like, that's all that it says. I'll try my best to do my eyeliner on here, but as I've already established, I can't actually see, so my mirror's gonna be like this close. We'll see, we'll see. Ta-da! You might be thinking, this eye is a little bit longer than this eye. Well, one of my eyes is slightly hooded than the other, so I have to make it a little bit longer, just so that you'll be able to see when my eyes are open. So, fun fact. Not that you care, but fun fact. Right, to make this eye look pop a little bit, we are going to go in with a nice nude liner. Okay, that'll do, that'll do. Oh! I'm gonna let my eyes calm down for a little bit. We're almost there. So while we wait for my eyes to just stop, I'm gonna take the blushes from this wonderful palette. I'm gonna mix them both together, which is what I tend to usually do. Just apply them. I love them. They're literally the easiest blushes to like work with. Back in with that teeny tiny little pencil brush and back in with the shade Bitten, and we're going to run that on the outer bit of my under eye. Taking Morocco. I'm just going to quickly spritz my face with the Mario de Badescu Rose Water before I apply my mascara. I love this. Literally just makes all of my powders, like my blusher, my bronzer, my highlighter, they all just like melt together. The Essence Volume Stylish Lash Extension Mascara with a lengthening fibres and 18-hour wear. I'm just gonna wiggle that through my lashes. These are my all-time favourite lip lingeries from NYX. Which one shall I go for? This one is French made, and this one is exotic. Exotic, I think we're gonna go for today. This is a fresh new bottle as well. So clean. Oh. And ta-da! This is your finished look. Went for a really nice, smoky, half kind of really soft cut crease look today with some really nice pink tones and orange tones. They are my favourite shades to use. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you'd like any other videos, any other colours you want me to use, any products you want me to try. I think that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, _beautyinthebooks_, and like and subscribe please. Thank you.